The protective mother dog kept dragging her puppy back to the nest, suspicious of the human who brought food. But the little puppy, persistent and driven by hunger, kept trying to break free to reach the offering, until finally, the mother realized that the stranger meant no harm. He came to help, not to threaten her precious baby. The next day, the mother slowly began to trust the man and allowed her puppy to be given milk. Now, each time his footsteps are heard, the mother and her pup wait at the mouth of the cave, their eyes full of hope, certain that warm milk will arrive soon. And when the kind human serves delicious food, she joins in and eats it peacefully.